In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PayPal savings and earn 4% APY on your money. So PayPal now has a feature where you can take your balance, put it into a savings account, and then earn interest or just free money. The rate is about 4% on $100, which I have here in my balance that I'll show with an example. I would earn $4 per year. But you know, if you get more money in here, it definitely stacks up and compounds more and more. So in order to do this on the home screen, what you want to do is scroll all the way to the right until you see PayPal savings. I'm going to tap on this and it's going to give us some more information here. Get paid to save with 4% APY. No setup or monthly fees, no minimum balance. You just put your money in here and you're good to go. Watch your money grow, set a goal if you want, trust in savings. This is FDIC insured through Synchrony Bank. So your money in this savings account would be insured up to $250,000. I'm just gonna tap the start saving button. Here's what you get, all the stuff that we just talked about. I'm going to agree and continue. It's gonna need some information from me. Setting up my PayPal savings account. You're all set. How much would you like to add? I'm just gonna add all of that $100. Done. I can also choose how often. I'm just gonna do one time and today. Tap review. Where from? My PayPal balance. It's gonna give all of the details there. And I'm gonna tap add money. So you can add goals and do a bunch of different stuff here. Maybe I'll make some future videos on that. But here's the main thing we need to know. I have $100 in here. I'm gonna earn 4% APY. So I Googled how often does PayPal savings pay? And it says it's compounded daily and then it pays you at the end of the month and it's added to your principal. So basically I should see this pending, start showing up tomorrow, and then at the end of the month, it will pay me and it will automatically be added to this $100 balance. If I want to add more money in the balance, I can tap add money. If I want to transfer this money out of my savings, I can tap the transfer button. So there you have it, how to set up PayPal savings and start your savings account on PayPal. Hope you guys enjoyed this, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.